name is Charlie Penderosa. You must be Kristen, right?
Yeah, that's me.
So good to meet you. Come in, please. Come in.
Thank you.
Yeah, so let me show you around a little bit. Obviously, this is the living room. You can put on TV, whatever you want. Got hundreds of channels. We got the dining room right here.
What is that?
Oh, God. Tragic story, actually. We used to have a dog named Benny. Got ran over a few weeks ago. Tragic death, but I don't know, it's his toy. We keep it around because we like the way it looks and feels, so don't worry anything about that, though. Come, follow me over here.
I'm sorry.
Let me, this is the kid's room. He's sleeping, so be really quiet. Yeah, it's a good painting, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, I got it, I don't know, back in, I would say, 1993, back in Switzerland. I don't even like the damn thing. My partner, Tammy, he loves it. Where is he anyway? Tammy! It takes so long getting ready. You don't mind waiting, huh? Just a few
No,
moments?
it's fine. Yeah, it's okay.
Oh, here he is.
Oh, nice to meet you, baby. Just give me 5 more minutes, alright?
It'll be fine. Come on, let's go take a seat. Come on. And have you thought about adoption? I mean, it's kind of the thing now. It's easier. It doesn't hurt as bad. I mean, I don't know from experience, but
Ready to go?
ooh, can't wait. Let's go. All right, you're gonna do great. Call us if you need anything. I don't think you will, but if you do, go ahead, call us.
Okay. All right. Yeah, I gotta poop. Is that a dick? It's a dick. What? There's no way. There's no way. There's no way. The dog's dead. It's dead. It's fine. Yeah, it's fine.
I mean, everything was just so perfect.